Namaste student, myself Devanshika Kushwaha from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Subject is Basics of Bioscience Lab. And our session is separation of plant pigment through paper chromatography. We have two objectives in this, preparation of solvent and separation of pigment. So here we are starting with our aim is to separation of plant pigment through paper chromatography. In this, the principle is photosynthetic plant convert light energy from the sun to chemical and food energy. During photosynthesis, molecules referred to as pigments are used to capture light energy. Pigments are chemical compound which reflects only certain wavelength of visible light. Plant leaves contain four primary pigments: chlorophyll, A, chlorophyll, B, xanthophyll, and carotenoids. To separate and visualize the four primary pigments of green plant, we can use a simple technique called chromatography. Chromatography is a technique used to separate molecules on the basis of difference in size, shape, mass, charge, solubility, and absorption properties. The term chromatography is derived from Greek word chroma, color, and graph, white. There are many types of chromatography like paper chromatography, column chromatography, thin layer chromatography, and partition chromatography. These techniques involve the interaction between three components: the mixture to be separated and solid phase and a solvent. So what are the materials required? Spinach leaves, chromatography chamber, mortar and pestle, ether acetone solution, scissor, acetone, pencil, capillary tube, spatula, scale, filter paper strip, watch glasses, threads and stapler. So now we are moving towards procedure. In this we take a freshly plucked green spinach leaf using scissor, cut the spinach leaf into small pieces and let them fall into the mortar. Take a measuring cylinder that contains 5 ml of acetone and pour it into the mortar. Grind the spinach leaf using the mortar and pestle. Place the extract into a watch glass using a spatula. Take a strip of filter paper having a narrow notch at the one end of the strip. Take a pencil and a scale and draw a horizontal line with a pencil about 2 to 3 centimeters away from the tip of the notch. Put a drop of the pigment extract in the middle of the line with the help of capillary tube. Allow to drop to dry and repeat till 4 or 5 drops are placed on the paper. Fold one end of the filter paper strip and staple it using a thread. Hang the filter paper strip in the chromatographic chamber. Then the loading spot should remain about 1 centimeter above the solvent level. Leave the chromatographic chamber undisturbed for some time. Then we can observe as the solvent move through the paper, it spread the different pigments of the mixture to various distances. Then when the solvent rises about 3 to 4 up to the strip, remove the strip carefully and let it dry. So what are the precautions? Spinach leaves should be fresh and green. The loading spot should be 2 to 3 centimeter away from the tip of the notch. While hanging the strip in the chromatography chamber, the loading spot should remain about 1 centimeter above the solvent level. So this is the procedure of separation of plant pigment through paper chromatography. So if you understand and have any query regarding this practical protocol, you can write down in comment section. Thank you.